Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing this USB-C port into the center console and installing these courtesy lights. But yeah, it's kind of cool. The kit came with wires, some fuses, and this black back plate in case if you install it onto a boat, because you can use this to install into a boat or into a car as well, either or. If you guys want the link to the item, I'll put it down in the description as well for these two, because I got these set of 4 for 20 bucks and the USB-C for like 14 bucks. So let's get it, this video started. For this install to start, you need wire strippers, some bud connectors. I don't know which one I'm gonna need. We'll find out soon. And that's probably it. So as you can see, I already have it halfway out. And I googled that the orange wire is positive, the black is the negative. But we're gonna put it on the other side, because this side is the one with the cigarette lighter, and that's the auxiliary port, and that's where I'm gonna put it. So here's the harness. Same thing with this one. Orange is positive, black is negative. So I'm gonna clip these and then we'll keep going. So we clip these as flush as possible, even though there is a bunch of wires. Anyways, extra wire on the new harness. There. Oh, also you gotta make sure you come on. Hold on, these things. You wanna unplug the fuse in the engine bay for the auxiliary fuse. You see, already stripped. And then I gotta do the same thing to these. So let me clip these and I'll get back to you guys. See, I already have them stripped. And now we're gonna get these bud connectors, see which one works. Which, this red one should work. Let's see. Oh. Yes, it does. Indeed it does. And then you want to crimp these. As tight as you can, and then you would always want to pull on it and check to see if it's good. If it is, it's good. Always sometimes I like to crimp it one more time. Make sure it's on there. So you can see pulling it and it's all fine. Then I don't remember what gauge these wires are, so you know which bud connectors to get. Oh no, it looks like it could either be, what did I put? Oh, here it is. It looks like it could either be I think 16 or 14 gauge, something like that. Don't quite remember. Don't quote me on it, but yep, this one's perfect too. And then you do the same thing on this side. And yeah. So you just put this in and crimp it. Now that we got them crimped already, now you would always want to make sure it comes with a fuse inside, which it does. So thank God it comes with some extra ones just in case something happens. So yeah, you put red with red, positive with positive. Make sure it goes in there. Which this should be all solid. Oh no, it's not a solid cable. It's already in. Want to make sure you try to put it in as much as you can. making sure it's gonna be all right. crimp it twice, just in case. Sometimes I crimp the wire as well. Alright, let me get back to you guys because this didn't do anything. Alright, it took me a bit because I needed to cut and then do it again. But see, they're crimped nice and tight. And now you put the USB thing. Comes with this thing. Just slides right in. And yes, you have to trim this and make it a little bit bigger for this to slide in there nicely. Boom. Now you take the nut, you put it on. Yeah, it could be a little bit difficult because it's hitting the clip that clips onto the center console itself. Let me get that tight and then I'll be right back. Finally, now it's snug. What I had to do, because of this tab thing here, was like not letting me screw this on a bit. So what I did is just put this flush and then I used this to screw it in. So as you can see, I have already the positive plugged in. Now we're gonna plug in the negative and then put these little blue grommets there to protect it. Now let's see if everything works. Just gotta go and plug in the fuse. Now I'm gonna be going inside the engine bay to put on the fuse, and it should work now. Bingo! As you can see, it's working. 12.3 volts. So yeah, now we just gotta put everything back where it goes. Pull these wires in there, and there you go, back to its place. The hub in there. Now that that is finished, let's start putting these on. I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm just gonna put them on and then show you how it looks. I'm gonna show you before and after. See how this side, hopefully you guys can see well. See, that one's on, right? And then see how this one's not on, and that one over there is not on. And then for the passenger side, see, it's missing as well. Oh no, not that passenger side. Whoopsies. This passenger side. See, it doesn't have the cover, so I'm gonna put those on, and then I'll show you guys a before and after. But overall, this install of the charger went pretty smooth. So you guys know, because I was wondering why that one didn't come on, wasn't clipping on. It's because, as you can see, it says R for right and L for left. So basically with these, it's just slides and clicks right in. What a difference with it and without is crazy. Look at that one too, all the way over there. Crazy. So yeah, you don't have to pop these off, the door panels. And then I gotta take this one off and the one over there off. But for the passenger driver side, you do want to take it off. Well, for this one I had to, because since this was broken like this, well, I threw it over there, it was missing this clear and red part, and this harness here for the light was hidden there. So that's the reason why I have to take it off. So if it happens to you too, you just do that, and if not, you know, you just pop it off with a flathead, and then there you go. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it and then you can see the final results. As you can see, passenger side is done. Driver's side is done finally. And then the rears as well. Thank God. No more open holes. No more open holes. But yeah, another thing that I ordered which I'm gonna end up doing the next video, is I bought a repair kit to fix this issue. And I'm probably gonna buy a new bezel too, because that one's perfectly fine because I could see that they screw on. So this corner screws on and then this clips in. And yeah. Oh, and there's one more thing that I also replaced the steering wheel as well. I don't know if I showed it before, but the leather here, or whatever kind of material this was, like ripped open. So I found one in good condition, not bad for $100, except for the guy didn't give me the airbag part, so I just kept mine. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, your safe word would be bananas. Put that down in the comments below. That'll show me that you watched the video from the beginning to the end, and if you did, thank you so much for your support, and it means a lot. And so like, comment, and subscribe for more content on this Silverado. And I know since the last upload was like a month ago, you know, sometimes life gets in the way and money is tight sometimes because of the economy or work is slow, but always going to keep it transparent with you guys. But besides that, put on your notification bell, turn it on so you know when the next upload pops up. So yeah guys, wherever you're watching this video, day or night, enjoy your day or enjoy your night. So on to the next one. Peace out guys.